Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing amazing. Good morning everyone and welcome to my first video ever. So as you can see, I am in my car. I have reached the office right now. I actually started vlogging from my home itself, but I don't know whether I'll be able to use that or not. And this is my first video for all of you. And yes, I'm in the parking lot right now. I'll park my car and I'll go to my office. I'll show you how my day goes. Okay, bye. In my lift, have my sipper with me. Hi everyone. So as you can see, I'm in my office. This is my cabin where I work. So I have a class for which I have to prepare some content and do a little bit of practice. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I'm right now in office and just didn't feel like working. I was just sitting here looking at the sun. It's bright sunny day today. So yeah, I was just thinking of some ideas for my YouTube as well as for some other things, just general life things. I was wondering what to do, what not to do, and all of that. So thought I'll update you regarding this. This is what I'm up to, and I just got done with my work a little bit, and then I'll go for lunch now outside. I didn't get my lunch today, so I'm thinking, what should I eat? You can maybe just put your comments in the comment section to let me know what I should eat. I am talking softly because I don't want anyone to hear that I'm making a vlog, because I've not told anybody. I just don't like telling anyone that I have a channel. I actually wanted to grow my channel organically, right? That's the right word. I want to grow it organically. I don't want anybody's help, or I just don't want. In fact, I'm not told my relatives also that I have a channel. I want audience to connect with me for the person I am, not my relatives or my colleagues or my acquaintances to just subscribe to my channel just for the sake of it. I actually don't want that kind of engagement on my channel. So that is what I'm trying. I've not told anyone, and that is why I'm talking very, very softly. I don't know whether you will be able to hear me or not. If you're not able to hear me, I'll put the captions below for all of you for sure. All right, okay, that's all. I have a lot to share with you. Probably today I will do that if I get time, especially for the ladies out there who are watching me. I have to share one-on-one something heart to heart with all of you. So I'll definitely let you know about that. Maybe after my lunch I'll come back and see whether I have bandwidth to do that. So definitely I'll catch up. All right, chalo, I'll go for lunch now. Bye bye everyone. Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing amazing. Now as you can see, I'm in my car and I'm driving to my office. मुझे ऑफिस 12 बजे पहुंचना होता है and it's already 11:50 and I am only halfway through my distance to my office. So let's see whether I'll be able to reach on time or not. आज मैं थोड़ा सा लेट घर से निकली. I don't know, everything was late for some reason. Maybe because I got up late. I wasn't feeling the best today, so maybe that. Right? Anyways, I am headed to my office as I was saying, and as I was
एज आई वॉज टेलिंग यू कि मैं बैंगलोर में रहती हूँ, तो आई एम एक्चुअली करंटली लिविंग इन इंदिरा नगर एंड माई ऑफिस इज इन मारथली, right? So you know, those people who live in Bangalore obviously know the traffic and everything. So yeah, that's what we have to, you know, bear. Everyone who's living in Bangalore has to deal with the Bangalore traffic as well. Just hoping that I don't get late for the day, because my office is very you know, strict that way, you know. So let's hope for that.
हाय एवरीबॉडी, वेरी गुड इवनिंग। आई होप आप लोग सब अच्छे होंगे, बिकॉज मैं आज अच्छी नहीं थी, इसलिए मैं आपके लिए एटलीस्ट विश कर सकती हूँ कि आप लोग अच्छे होंगे। व्हाट हैपेंड इज़, मैंने आपको मॉर्निंग में दिखाया कि आई वॉज गोइंग टू ऑफिस, आई वॉज बीइंग वेरी वेरी पॉजिटिव, यू ऑल सॉ राइट। मैं बहुत, लेट मी कीप दिस कैमरा स्टेबल एंड देन आई विल शेयर, ओके। हाँ, तो मैं ये कह रही थी कि when you know, you all saw me going to office, right, in the morning, and I was sharing all the things positive with all of you, that you know guys, everyone, I'm going to the office and one will work and this and that, all of that, right? But what happened is, on my way to office, मुझे थोड़ा अजीब लगने लगा, I was cramping really bad, so I thought I'll, you know, how I will be able to manage, but I was still, you know, on my way. So I couldn't come back. So I thought I'll just go to the office. Then the moment I reached the office, the pain became unbearable. बहुत ज़्यादा. I was rushed to the medical, you know, one room was there. So I was rushed there. And then मैंने medicines वगैरह भी ली, but nothing worked out. So what I had to do was, you know, I had to apply for work from home. तब तक 2 बज चुके थे ऑलरेडी, एंड आई वॉजंट फीलिंग लाइक अप्लाइंग फॉर वर्क फ्रॉम होम, बिकॉज आई वॉज ऑलरेडी देयर, एंड बैंगलोर का ट्रैफिक तो आपको पता ही है, राइट? आई वॉज ऑलरेडी देयर एंड आई थॉट आई जस्ट, यू नो, गेट डन विद दिस डे, बट इतना ज़्यादा मुझे पेन था दैट आई कुडेंट, राइट? सो आई केम बैक होम एंड आई कुडेंट व्लॉग ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज आई कुडेंट, बहुत ज़्यादा पेन था। इनफैक्ट राइट नाउ आई एम इन पेन, बट सो मच बेटर देन हाउ आई वॉज, यू नो, अर्लियर। मैं घर आ गई एंड देन आई रेस्टेड फॉर अ वाइल, 1-2 घंटा मैंने रेस्ट किया एंड देन स्टार्टेड वर्किंग अगेन, एंड फिर मैंने क्लास लिया, एंड राइट नाउ आई जस्ट गॉट डन विद माई क्लास, एंड you know, as in when I'm talking, I'm breathing very very heavily, because this happens with me. I mean, this is how my body, you know, is. So matlab, now I just got free, so I thought कि, you know, I'll share this thing with you. But nonetheless, मेरे कहने का मोटिव ये है कि whatever happens in life, the show must go on, the work should go on, right? So that's what I did. In fact, you know, even after being unwell, I worked, because some requirements of the job. तो मैं पूजा करने लगी हूँ, यहाँ मेरे भगवान जी हैं, ऑलराइट। सो लेट मी स्टार्ट, बहू बन के पूजा करेंगे, ऑलराइट? सी यू आफ्टर पूजा। पूजा डन एवरीवन। मैं आपको अपना मंदिर दिखाती हूँ, ओके? सो ये मेरा मंदिर है, छोटू सा मंदिर है, ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है, एज दिस इज़ अ रेंटेड अपार्टमेंट। सो यहाँ पे मेरे भगवान जी हैं, दिस इज़ आवर बनबोरी वाली माता, एंड इनको मैं बहुत 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 ज़्यादा मानती हूँ। ओके एवरीवन, सो एज यू कैन सी, मैंने आपको बोला ही था मैं थोड़ी सी संस्कारी और थोड़ी सी मॉडर्न हूँ, तो आप देख सकते हैं मेरा संस्कारी एंड मॉडर्न लुक। ठीक है, तो मैंने अभी पूजा करी है, अब मैं थोड़ा सा खाना खाऊंगी। एक्चुअली फूड आई डोंट हैव टू प्रिपेयर टुडे, बिकॉज आज मेरी छुट्टी है एंड माई हस्बैंड इज़ वर्किंग, ही इज़ बेसिकली अ रेस्टोरेंट मैनेजर। सो आज मैंने उनसे डिमांड करी थी कि आई वॉन्ट टू ईट सुशी, सो ही इज़ सेंडिंग सुशी फॉर मी टुडे। ओके, सो प्लीज़ डोंट माइंड माई कपड़े, मैं घर पे ऐसे ही कपड़े पहन के रहती हूँ, बिकॉज द रियलिटी। ओके, सो एज आई वॉज टेलिंग यू, माई फूड वॉज अबाउट टू अराइव, तो मेरा खाना आ चुका है। आई हैव 3 big packets, let me show you. Okay, these 3 big packets I have. Let's start. यहाँ पे मेरा खाना है। एज आई वाज सेइंग कि आप लोग मुझे जज करोगे कि किसी को सुशी कैसे पसंद हो सकती है, बट मुझे डेफिनेटली बहुत पसंद है। सो देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ सुशी, वन इज दिस एंड आई डोंट नो द नेम्स ऑफ यू नो बोथ ऑफ दीज, बिकॉज ये मेरे हस्बैंड ने ऑर्डर किया है एंड उसने अपनी चॉइस से ऑर्डर किया है। सो आई डोंट नो कौन सी है। आई थिंक दिस आई कैन सी एवोकाडो इज देयर एंड दिस वन इज आई गेस चीज समथिंग, राइट? सो दिस, एंड देन अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मैंने सुशी ही मंगाई थी, बट ही हैज़, यू नो, very sweet. He has sent one more thing, and that is this. This is your pita bread, and this is called hummus. Some sauces. This is my sipper, everyone, and here is where my phone stand is from what I'm shooting. Okay, तो ये मेरा पूरा खाना है. फटाफट से मैं start करती हूँ without delaying because I am very very hungry. Okay, here you go. The first sushi. Amazing. मुझे बहुत पसंद है sushi. And it's really nice.
Let me try another one. I guess this is burnt cheese or something, and I think this I would like much better because cheese is down there. So, taste it. I'll wait. Okay, this is how the another sushi looks like.
Beautiful. I like this one better. This has got cucumber, burnt cheese, like it's very smoky. It's very nice. I love both. Yummy. Let me enjoy my sushi and pita bread as well, and I'll get back to you. Bye bye everyone. Something I started with was the introduction of the author, who is James Clear, and he was telling his story of how, you know, he met with an accident and he recovered from it and applied a few small habits in his daily life, and you know how he succeeded in life because of those small habits. So this was just an introduction that I read right now. I'll continue reading this book and many more, hopefully. So I'll go to sleep now as I have to go to work tomorrow. I have to wake up and cook as well. So I'll show you all of that as well in the next vlog maybe. All right. So thank you so much everyone for watching my vlog. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye everyone. Good night.